Hey guys, we are here at Pyramid Lake Museum and Visitor Center. Uh, we're gonna learn some history about the place and also look at some souvenirs. Chet!
Rising from the quiet desert town of Nixon, Nevada, the Pyramid Lake Paiute Tribe Museum and Visitor Center stands like a guardian of memory. Inspired by traditional form, welcoming visitors not just into a building but into a living history. In the late 1960s, the Pyramid Lake Paiute Tribe secured funding to begin construction of a museum, completing the foundation and masonry. However, funds ran out, and the building remained unfinished and vacant for over 20 years. In 1996, the U.S. Secretary of Transportation designated roadways within the reservation as the Pyramid Lake Scenic Byway, one of only two such designations on Indian reservations nationwide. That same year, the tribe received $764,743 from the state of Nevada to renovate the museum through a cooperative effort with federal and state transportation agencies. The project was completed. The building was dedicated on August 26, 1998, as the Pyramid Lake National Scenic Byways Visitor Center and Museum. The museum's design, created by Hopi artist and architect Dennis Lumkena, blends geometric forms that connect earth and sky. Inspired by the traditional Hopi kiva, a sacred, often underground ceremonial space symbolizing spiritual emergence. The structure also reflects Pyramid Lake Paiute identity, incorporating local marble and Marble Bluff near Nixon, Nevada, where the Truckee River meets Pyramid Lake. Inside, a circular amphitheater honors Paiute traditions of oral storytelling, song, and cultural continuity. Let's step inside, where the vast silence of the surrounding high desert gives way to voices of ancestors, of water, of survival. This is not merely a museum in the conventional sense. For the Northern Paiute people, it is something deeper, a place often described as never to be forgotten, where history is preserved not just in objects, but in meaning. Long before roads and modern borders, the people of Pyramid Lake, the Numu, or Northern Paiute, live in harmony with this landscape. The museum tells their story beginning with the lake itself, a remnant of ancient Lake Lahontan, and a life-giving force in an otherwise arid land. Through carefully curated exhibits, visitors learn how the Paiute people became known as cui-ui eaters, named after a rare fish found nowhere else on Earth. Fishing tools, woven nets, and traditional implements reveal a culture deep tied to the rhythms of the lake. Here, survival was not separate from spirituality. The lake was, and still is, sacred, believed to hold power, memory, and connection to ancestors. Moving deeper into the museum, the narrative shifts from ancient life to historical struggle. A timeline traces the profound changes wrought by American expansion, including the diversion of the Truckee River, an event that nearly destroyed the lake's ecosystem and threatened the Paiute way of life. One of the most significant chapters highlighted is the Pyramid Lake War of 1816, a major conflict between Native Americans and settlers in Nevada. These exhibits do not just recount events, they convey resilience, legal battles for water rights, cultural preservation, and sovereignty are presented on ongoing efforts, not distant history. Throughout the museum, glass cases and displays hold artifacts that speak quietly but powerfully. Archaeological items from ancient Paiute sites, honoring displays of tribal members who served in the military, stories of influential Paiute women and community leaders. There is also a blend of past and present, traditional objects alongside contemporary native artwork, reminding visitors that Paiute culture is not frozen in time, but evolving and alive. Another section of the museum shifts focus to the lake itself, not just a cultural symbol, but a unique ecosystem. We can encounter exhibits on the endangered cui-ui fish, the famous Lahontan cutthroat trout, a prized species for anglers, colonies of American white pelicans, and nests nearby. These displays connect nature and culture, showing how environmental changes directly impact identity, tradition, and survival. Beyond its exhibits, the center serves a practical and cultural role. It provides visitors with guidance on how to respectfully explore tribal lands, including recreation permits and education on local policies. But more importantly, it acts as a bridge between visitors and a Paiute perspective. Many arrive curious about the striking beauty of Pyramid Lake. They leave with something deeper, understanding. The Museum and Visitor Center operates seasonally from October to April, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. May to September, Monday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. October to April, Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Sundays are typically closed. Admission is free, but donations are welcome. Recreation of Pyramid Lake such as fishing, boating, camping requires separate tribal permits or day passes, which is available here. The Pyramid Lake Paiute Tribe Museum and Visitor Center. It's not just a stop along the route, but it is a starting point. It invites you to see Pyramid Lake and not just a scenic destination, but as a sacred homeland.
So guys, that's it for the history and the exhibits inside the Pyramid Lake Museum and Visitor Center. Till next time, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Bye! If you like our videos, please click thumbs up for like.
Hit the bell to subscribe!
Please comment.
And don't forget to share!